67, please show it en route.
Control 67, copy. Communications plan for the brush response in 67's area. Admin on Blue 3, command on LA County V5. Primary tag is V9 direct, secondary tag V10 direct. Air to ground on LA County underground. Crew dozer U14 direct. Victor 130.7.
Hey, we want to do that next week.
67 LA.
LA is 67, go ahead.
67 additional report being reported near Las Virgenes, near Agora Road, possibly a construction site.
Copy, Las Virgenes and Agora. We're on our way. We'll investigate.
Copy.
LA Copter 12 copies response.
Copter 12, copy. Public assist 50s.
Green enough for everybody?
LA is saying that is going available for that round 67.
89 copy, stand by. Engine 68 cancel, response 68 cancel. 68 disregard, continue in. Engine 144 cancel, response 144 cancel.
LA from Battalion 5, can you add Malibu Search and Rescue?
Type 5 copy.
LA 68, we're going to continue. We're almost at Las Virgenes.
68, yes, continue in. 144, you can cancel. Rescue 18s.
LA engine and Quint 125 at Agora in Las Virgenes, unable to locate. Quint 125 is going to investigate at Mulholland. Continue all resources.
Copy. 125 also being possibly reported Las Virgenes and Agora near a construction site. Also additional report of just north of Bark Park.
Yeah, I just was thinking. You see, I over here said it's over the hill, so he's talking about that one.
LA is 67.
67 go.
LA is 67, we're on scene at Las Virgenes and Mulholland. We find nothing. We're going to continue to investigate and head toward Agora.
67 copy. We are getting confirmation it is at Las Virgenes and Agora, behind the Water District building in the hills.
LA Quint 125 at Willow Glen and Las Virgenes. We do have one copter approximately 300 yards east of this location. Have all units email command for assignment.
I didn't know that.
125. Units responding to the brush fire 125's area reporting Las Virgenes and Willow Glen. Reported to be a copter down approximately 300 yards east of the intersection. All units continuing to come up on LA County V5 for assignment.
Copy that. I'll get you a location here in just a second.
Rescue 171, Division Squad 172, Chastain 222 North Market, across the region.
125-68 on scene.
What station are you from?
Channel 11.
LA Quint 125, this is going to be Willow IC command post at Quint 125. I'm going to have all units stage at Willow Glen and Las Virgenes. Email command for an assignment.
Quint 125 copy. This will be the Willow incident. 125 Willow IC. Command post at it. Quint 125. Can you confirm if there is a brush involved?
LA Engine 173.
173, stand by. Willow IC, LA.
Willow IC, go.
LA Engine 171, Squad 171 are going available. We'll take that call in our area.
171, stand by. Willow IC, can you confirm if there's brush involved?
Willow IC from Quint 125. It appears we do have a copter down approximately 300 yards east of this location. We do have some smoke, unable to see how much is burning at this location right here. We'll get back to you when we get some updated information.
LA copies. Once
en route, 9 minutes on the timer.
12 copy, 9 minutes. 171, confirm both you and the squad are available for the next run.
LA, that's affirmative.
Copy, engine squad 172, you can cancel. 173, do you have traffic?
173 is going to be a false alarm. Engine and ambulance are both available.
173, copy, false alarm. Rescue 27 with squad 50. Units responding to the brush fire 125's area, Las Virgenes and Willow Glen. This is now the Willow incident. Quint 125 is Willow IC. Command post will be at Quint 125. All incoming units stage at Las Virgenes and Willow Glen.
LA show, Patrol 67 on scene.
Patrol 67, copy, on scene.
Engine 125 from Willow IC, command.
Engine 99, LA.
99, go ahead.
How far did you have to walk? That was the big problem.
20 miles.
Here was to get all the way around. We go there, waste half an hour of our time back here. And that guy goes, now you got to walk out there half an hour.
Be that, you guys going to be on the left or the right flank?
Flexing the balls, you know?
Well, you should have seen what we went through this morning.
Oh, really?
They were trying to throw us out of the game.
Oh, shit. Report for us. Oh, good.
But he was like,
Engine 125 from Willow IC, are you guys going to take the left flank or the right flank?
he represented us well.
Good.
95 copy.
Yeah, we were out here.
LA Willow IC, appears we have approximately 1 acre. We do have 1 copter down with medium brush. We do have smoke. We are currently starting a progressive hose leg. Command post will be at Quint 125. Have all units meet me on command for an assignment.
I mean, stringers do that all the time. They send that, that's how they do it. They send it in, they read
All units responding to the brush fire at Las Virgenes and Willow. Quint 125 reporting 1 acre, 1 copter down in medium brush. All units come up on command for assignment. Willow ICLA.
LA Willow IC confirming we do have 1 water tender en route.
Willow IC, that's affirmative. Water tender 144 is en route. Willow IC, can you confirm patient number and tail number? Or correction, patient info and tail number?
That's negative at this time. When I do get some more information, I'll go ahead and follow up with you.
Copy. Seizure 22's area, squad 3. 1243 South Clella Avenue, Unit 2, across to Vancouver. Squad 3, acknowledge voice. Squad 3. LA, show squad 171 on scene. Squad 171, copy on. Battalion 1 LA. Battalion 1, landline, DCBC. Injury ALS 39, squad 39. Chest pain 41, squad 40.
Hey, we want to do that next week, though, don't you? No, you don't care? Very sad.
enough for everybody?
LA from Battalion 1, could you check with Battalion 5 and inquire if he still would like me to respond?
Battalion 1, copy. Battalion 5, do you copy? 5, that's a firm. Let's keep Battalion 1 on the ticket. Battalion 1, do you copy? Battalion 5?
LA Battalion 1 copies.
Willow, I see LA.
We're waiting on you guys. How far did you have to walk?
That was the big problem.
20 miles.
Here was to get all the way around. We had to go there. Waste half an hour of our time back here.
LA from Willow IC, go ahead.
Willow, I see. Do you have a need for PIO? And do you have a helispot?
Flexing the balls, you know.
Stand by.
Went through this morning.
Oh, really?
They were trying to throw us out of here.
Oh, shit. Oh, good.
But he was like, look, see, we can see right here. Where we can see right here. They wanted to move us like 2 blocks. And we're like, this so he was fighting. He represented us well.
Good.
LA from Battalion 5. Willow, I see will get back to you on the helispot. We have some visibility challenges with the fog, so let them clean that up and we'll get back to you on the helispot designation. Battalion 5, copy.
Oh, yeah, I just was thinking. See, I over here said it's over the hill. So he's talking that way. Oh, wow.
You know, I know that's just how it works. I mean, stringers do that all the time. They send that. That's how they do it. They send it in. They agree to pay for it.
12 on scene.
That's how it works.
Copter 12, copy on scene.
LA, Willow IC.
Willow, I see. Go ahead.
LA from Willow IC. Let's go ahead and start one additional engine to Lost Hills Sheriff for the helispot.
Okay, well that's fun.
We're live on YouTube.
125. Correction. Willow, I see. Copy.
Nobody told me that.
I'm gonna have to turn this off.
Okay.
Willow, I see. Engine 75 will be your helispot coordinator.
Willow IC, copy. 75.
Sorry.
Deep breathing. Difficulty breathing. 16's area. Squad 16.
Channel 11.
Residential fire alarm 68 with engine 69, 2539 Prado de las Fresas, across the Parkway, Calabasas. LA from Battalion 5, that's affirmative on PIO.
Willow IC.
Battalion 5, copy. Willow, I see. Go.
Willow IC, be advised, we have copter 12 over the crash site. We do have approximate 30 by 30. Not spreading. Appears to be a possible magnesium fire at the location.
All units responding to the Willow IC. Ground 125 reporting approximately 30 by 30, not spreading, possible magnesium fire.
Hey, we want to do that next week,
LA
don't you?
engine 99. 99, go ahead. LA 99, confirm this unit's move up to 68th District. Engine 99, that's affirmative to 68th. LA 99, copy. LA Battalion 5 on scene, Willow incident. Battalion 5, copy, on scene. LA engine 75. 75, go ahead. Confirm which health flight you want us to man for this incident. 75, you'll be manning at Lost Hill Sheriff Station. Engine 75, copy.
Green enough for everybody?
All units responding to the Willow IC. Ground 125 reporting approximately 30 by 30, not spreading, possible magnesium fire. LA engine 99. 99, go ahead. LA 99, confirm this unit's move up to 68th District. Engine 99, that's affirmative to 68th. LA 99, copy. LA Battalion 5 on scene, Willow incident. Battalion 5, copy, on scene. LA engine 75. 75, go ahead. Confirm which health flight you want us to man for this incident. 75, you'll be manning at Lost Hill Sheriff Station. Engine 75, copy.
Represented as well.
Good.
Yeah, you were out here.
Some the other side of it. That's something. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I was just thinking. The guy over here said it's over the hill, so he's talking that way.
Yeah.
You know, that's how it works. I mean, stringers do that all the time. They send that. That's how they do it. They send it in. They agree to pay for it, and you get paid if you use it. That's how it works.
Willow ICLA.
You have Skyhawks overhead. You probably have Skyhawks.
Willow ICLA.
Go ahead, LA from Willow IC.
I didn't know
Willow IC, Lost Hills advising their sheriff station is not a valid helispot.
Okay.
Not available.
LA, Willow IC, go ahead and start them at 67 Alpha.
Willow IC, copy. Engine 75 LA.
Go for 75.
Engine 75, change in helispot location will be 67 Alpha.
LA, Engine 75, copy, 67 Alpha. Do we have a comm plan to for this incident? If so, send it my way.
75, affirmative. Send it to your MDC.
Channel 11. Tommy? Yes, helicopter. Yeah, there's a podium right in front of us. By the way, this is going to be a madhouse.
Copter 12 LA on Blue 3.
They'll let you in. Hey, we want to do that next week, though, don't you? No? You don't care? Very sad.
Difficulty breathing 58, squad 50.
LA Squad 16, you can cancel ambulance.
Squad 16, copy.
LA for Battalion 5. Battalion 5 will be Willow IC. I'll give you an update within 2 minutes.
Battalion 5, copy. KLS 8 area, squad.
Christopher. Hey. We're waiting on you guys. How far did you have to walk?
That was the big problem.
20 miles.
Here was to get all the way around. We didn't go there. Wasted half an hour of our time back here. And then that guy goes, now you got to walk out there half an hour. Wow. Just, yeah, it's just.
My reporter probably said that is
Flexing the balls, you know?
well, you should have told me what through this morning.
Oh, really?
Medical Rescue 14's area, squad 14.
Good.
But he was like, look, see right here?
Go ahead for Willow IC on admin.
And we're like, this, so he was fighting. He represented us well.
Good. Okay, we tried. That guy.
Yeah, we were out here.
Copy that. I'll meet you on air to ground.
Yeah, I just was thinking. The guy over here said it's over to the hill. He was talking to that one.
Oh, wow.
You know, I know that's how it works. I mean, stringers do that all the time. They send that. That's how they do it. They send it in. They agree to pay for it, and you get paid if you use it. That's how it works.
LA from Willow IC with an update. We have limited spread in the brush. We are still holding the fire. Forward progress has been stopped at a 30 by 30 spot. We have potential 3 DOAs. We have Lost Hill Sheriff on scene and also MRCA.
Willow IC, copy. Limited spread. Forward progress has been stopped at a 30 by 30 spot. Potential 3 DOA. Lost Hill Sheriff with MRCA on scene.
So, this is the deal.
Sorry.
Willow IC, LA.
LA Willow IC, go ahead.
Willow IC, is this a private or agency helicopter?
I'm talking to County Copter 12 now. I'll get right back to you.
Willow IC, copy.
Channel 11.
LA 14.
14, go ahead.
Make this a psych rescue, but we will see Sheriff.
14 copy, psych rescue requesting sheriff.
No, negative, but you can pull Sheriff. We'll handle it.
14 copy.
Doing enough for everybody? Put that back in place. Let them know what?
My reporter captain, he doesn't want to walk over there.
Willow, ICLA.
Where's the front?
LA from Willow, IC, go ahead.
Willow, IC. Fire 5 can't respond due to weather. Currently, the only copter on the call is copter 12.
LA from Willow, IC, we're good with the one aircraft. Copter 12 will stay on scene.
My reporter probably put that in. Flex the balls, you know?
Willow, IC copy.
Well, you should have seen what we went through this morning.
Oh, really?
They were trying to throw us out of here.
Oh, shit.
You know, that report for us.
Good.
But he was like, look, see, we can see right here. Where you can see the report. Yeah. We wanted to move us like 2 blocks away.
Of course.
And we're like, this, so he was fighting. He represented us well.
Good. Yeah, we tried. That guy.
Yeah, you were out here.
Some the other side we go. That's something. That's kidding. Yeah, I just was thinking. The guy over here said it's over the hill. He was talking that way. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You know, I know that's how it works. I mean, stringers do that all the time. They send that. That's how they do it. They send it in. They agree to pay for it, and you get paid if you use it. That's how it works.
Residential fire alarm. Correction, fire alarm 540. Willow, ICLA.
Okay, well that's fun.
LA from Willow, IC, go ahead.
Nobody told me that.
Willow, I see you have engine 75 as the helispot coordinator, but Fire 5 is not responding. Would you like them to be released from the ticket?
LA from Willow, IC, we're going to keep Copter 12 on scene. We have no water dropping missions. We can shut down the helispot and release engine 75.
Willow, I see, copy. Engine 75, do you copy?
That's affirmative. Are we released or do they still have a use for us?
Per battalion, correction, per Willow, I see, engine 75, you've been released.
LA copy, engine 75 available. Head back to quarters.
LA engine 126.
126, go ahead.
LA clear to go back to the border.
126, that's affirmative. Stand by. You should be getting a message.
126.
Hey, we want to do that next week, though, don't you? No? You don't care? Very sad.
Enough for everybody?
I didn't have my coupons with me.
LA from Willow IC, this is all within the LRA.
Willow IC, copy. All within LRA.
Christopher. Hey. We're waiting on you guys.
Oh,
How far did you have to walk?
that was the big problem.
20 miles.
Here was to get all the way around. We wasted half an hour of our time back here. And that guy goes, now you got to walk out there half an hour. Wow. Just, yeah, it's just
My recorder probably said that is.
flexing the balls, you know?
Well, you should have seen what we went through this morning.
Oh, really?
They were trying to throw us out of here.
Oh, no shit. Good.
But he was like, look, see, we can see right here. Where you can see right here. We wanted to move us like 2 blocks away.
Of course.
And we're like, this is
Investigation outside 147, Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard and Brenton Avenue. Quit 147, acknowledge voice.
LA, call 147, responding.
Yeah, we were out here.
LA from Willow IC, we're going to cancel the 2 additional hand crews. We're going to keep 13-3 and 8-2 on scene.
Willow IC, copy. Keeping 8-2 and 13-3, canceling the 2 additional.
You know, I know that's how it works. I mean, stringers do that all the time. They send that. That's how they do it. They send it in. They agree to pay for it, and you get paid if you use it. That's how it works.
Camp Crew 2-2 and Camp Crew 16-1, you've been released.
That's fun. I didn't know that. Nobody told me that. Okay.
Hey, we want to do that next week, though, don't you? No? You don't care? Very sad.
Engine and Patrol 69, status check.
LA Engine and Patrol 69, en route, still 1 minute out.
69, copy.
LA Info 1, I'm en route to the aircraft down at 125s with a 15-minute ETA.
Info 1, copy, en route with 15-minute ETA.
Doing enough for everybody?
I didn't have my coupons with me.
Put that back in place. Know what?
on you guys. How far did you have to walk?
That was the big problem.
20 miles.
Here was to get all the way around. We go there, waste half an hour of our time back here. And then that guy goes, now you got to walk out there half hour. Wow. Just, yeah, it's just.
My recorder probably said that in.
Flexing the balls, you know?
Well, you should have seen what we went through this morning.
Oh, really?
They were trying to throw us out of the game.
Oh, shit. Good.
But he was like, look, see, we can see right here. Where you can see right here. We wanted to move us like 2 blocks away.
Of course.
And we're like, this, so he was fighting. He represented as well.
Good. Yeah, we tried. The guy.
Yeah, we were out here.
Yeah, just was thinking. The guy over here said it's over the hill, but he's talking about that one.
Look at him and get like, oh, wow.
You know, I know that's how it works. I mean, stringers do that all the time. They send that. That's how they do it. They send it in. They agree to pay for it, and you get paid if you use it. That's how it works. That's fun.
We're live on YouTube.
I didn't know that. Nobody told me that.
I'm gonna have to turn this off.
Okay.
LA 147, it's going to be a smoke scare, only 147 available.